Welcome drinks, a toast to English learning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we're exploring welcome drinks. This phrase is not just about beverages, but it's a window into culture, hospitality, and social norms. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of meaning behind this common yet intriguing expression. Welcome drinks are complimentary beverages offered to guests, usually at events, hotels, or social gatherings. This phrase embodies two key concepts: hospitality and warmth. It's a gesture of making guests feel comfortable and valued. These drinks can range from simple juices to elaborate cocktails, depending on the occasion and setting. In many cultures, offering a drink to a guest is a sign of respect and kindness. Welcome drinks symbolize the host's effort to create a pleasant atmosphere. It's not just about the drink itself, but the intention behind it. This practice varies globally, reflecting local customs and traditions. You might hear, "We offer welcome drinks to our guests," in hotels, or "Let's start with welcome drinks," at parties. It's important to note that in English, this phrase is mostly used in formal and semi-formal settings. It's a way of indicating that guests are appreciated and their presence is celebrated. While welcome drinks are literal drinks, the phrase can also be seen metaphorically. It represents the idea of starting on a positive note. In meetings or negotiations, starting with a friendly gesture, like offering a drink, sets a cooperative tone, similar to the role of welcome drinks in social situations. Welcome drinks is more than a phrase about beverages. It's about making people feel at ease, valued, and respected. It's a beautiful blend of language, culture, and social interaction. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this phrase and its use in English. Keep exploring, and cheers to your language learning journey.